According to Continental's research, we will suffer on average a flat tyre every 5 years. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how easy it is to change a wheel. Right, first, park where you're not a hazard to other road users. Then, engine off, handbrake on and into gear. So then you know the car is not going anywhere. You're going to need to find this locking wheel nut key. You can find it usually in the glove box or in the boot. Also in the boot, you'll need the wheel brace, the jack and the spare wheel. First thing you must do is slacken off the wheel nuts before you jack the weight off the car, because you need the weight of the car in order to do this. Okay, now that you've slackened all the wheel nuts, it's time to jack it up. Every car is different depending on where it should be jacked, so check the owner's manual, or sometimes if you're using the car's own jack, there's a diagram. Obviously at this point, remind yourself, have I put it in first gear? Have I got the handbrake on? Or if it's an auto, is it in park? Now it's time to remove the wheel. Right, time to fit your space saver. Most cars will have a space saver. Got a little lip on the middle of the wheel, the hub. You want to use that lip to hang the wheel on. Again, tighten them opposites. Do them fairly tight, but not super tight, because you do the final tighten when the car is back on its wheels under its own weight. Carefully drop it off its jack, nice and slow. That's that. Do the final tighten, and then, last thing to do, check the pressure of that. There you go, done in 15 minutes or less.